Are you wondering how you can add your YouTube videos to your Instagram stories so you can start getting some more traction from your Instagram followers over to your YouTube channel? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. Hi and welcome back. I am Trina. I'm a YouTube strategist, and on this channel I'm committed to helping you do YouTube better. So whether that's to help you get more leads into your business from YouTube, or if it's to help you grow a big YouTube channel, I'm here to provide you no fluff tips and strategies on how to do that. One of my favorite ways to promote that I have a new YouTube video out is putting it on Instagram stories. But how can you put it over there on Instagram stories without having to pinch it down and make it look weird? I got you covered. Let's jump on over to my computer and I'm going to walk you through how I do it on Final Cut Pro. First thing you're going to do when you open up Final Cut Pro is you want to go into File, New, and you want to do a project, and then you want to change your video format resolution here. So you'll need to go here to Format and go to Custom, and you'll just want to flop these over. So you'll want to do 1080 by 1920. All right, everything else should be good. And what I like to do here is get like a 25% view, because this is going to be my area right here. If I have it at like a 50, you can't really get a good glimpse of it. You'll see it's cutting off some things. So I'll go to 25%. Now remember, you only have 15 seconds for an Instagram story, unless you want to, break it up and do different stories. So what I like to do is go back and grab the hook of my video. So you'll see right here. Are you wondering how you can add your YouTube videos to your Instagram stories? Perfect. And this clip is 11 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and copy it, take it on over to my Instagram story project. And if we zoom it out, you'll see up here it's still black and down here is black. Now what you could do is come up in here. So depending on what you have, you could grab one of these. I like to maybe just grab a solid one. So let's grab this, stick it here. Now, whatever is on the top of your project line here is what's going to be on top. So if you need this to play over top, what you need to do is grab this guy, put it down here, and now you have your video playing over that. Now you remember, you can minimize this just a little bit so it fits right here. Move it around to how you want it to look. Now this is something that I like to do. You can change this color as well by going over here, putting in your color formats, or clicking on the color and picking your hex code. So one of my brand colors is that pink. And you could also add text on top of here if you want. So popping it there. So since this isn't fitting across the board there, you'll see what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the OSC scale and I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller. I'm also going to add new text, so new video, and then I will need to come over to this one and change the font to my own branded font, and probably just make this size a little bit smaller so it fits there. Make sure this is highlighted, grab that. You can move it up here, then you'll see how this will work. Are you wondering how you can add your YouTube videos to your... Now one other cool way I like to do this is to grab this clip, go ahead and copy it. You can use Command-C and come to the end of your clip and paste it. Now I am going to put this guy right here. Make sure your ticker is right here as well. I want to make this a little bit more opaque so I can see through it. So what I'm going to do is come into here and I'm going to click this little guy right here and change the opacity, however you want to say it. I want to grab the bottom clip right here, make sure I have it clicked, and make it bigger. And move the pink in between these two. So now what you have, depending on how you want to size that, is kind of the reflection of yourself. Are you wondering how you can add your YouTube videos to your Instagram stories? And again, you can make this color more transparent, less transparent, however you want it to look, but it gives you that Instagram story size that makes your story really stand out. Then all that you need to do is come up here to export master file, and I like to just go into the file, and what I prefer to do is share it and airdrop it. And I'm going to airdrop it straight to my phone. So I'm going to turn my phone on and it should pop right up here, send it to my phone. Now all I have to do is upload it to Instagram stories. So are you using Instagram stories to tell people you have a new video posted? Let me know down in the comments below if you are using Instagram stories, and if you want to continue to learn more tips and strategies on how to do YouTube better, make sure you click that video that's on your screen right now, and I'll see you over there in that video. Bye.